Welcome to the EdbMails step-by-step guide to remove duplicate emails from IMAP server. EdbMails IMAP Duplicate Remover lets you seamlessly remove duplicate emails from any IMAP server, including Outlook, Gmail, Zoho Mail, Zimbra, cPanel, and more. Simply connect your account and choose how to handle duplicates, move them to deleted items, perform a soft delete, or opt for a hard delete. Achieve a clutter-free and optimized inbox effortlessly. EdbMails offers a secure and cost-effective solution for managing duplicate emails without compromising your data. Its advanced search capabilities allow you to detect duplicates with precision by matching criteria such as Internet Message ID, email body content, subject, date, or sender address. Save time, optimize mailbox performance, and reduce storage costs, all while ensuring your data stays safe and under your control. Let's walk through the step-by-step procedure to remove duplicate emails from IMAP server using EdbMails.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select Remove Duplicates from Office 365, Exchange, IMAP. Select Remove Duplicates from IMAP Mailboxes. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Next to continue. Select the required action and search criteria. Click Next to continue. To remove duplicates for a single user, select Single User Account Migration. To remove duplicates for multiple users, select Multiple Users Accounts Migration. Click Next to continue. Click Download Sample CSV file. Select the location to save sample.csv file. Open the downloaded CSV file, add multiple mailbox details, and save it. Click Browse CSV file. Select the modified CSV file. Click Open. Click Next to continue. Expand the mailboxes. Select the mailboxes, folders from which you want to remove duplicate. Click Next to continue. Click Start. Remove duplicate operation under progress. Remove duplicate operation completed. Click View Logs button to get operation report. That's it for hassle-free IMAP de-duplication process. Visit edbmails.com today.